How to use Tolan app. Now, Tolan application is actually kind of works like a chat GPT in a more conversational way. What I meant was Tolan responds appropriately and also responds in a timely manner. Now, for you to be able to use this AI platform, as of 2025, it is still available on App Store, like maybe on the iOS or only for Apple Store. If you will be using this through your Android device or any on your laptop or PC, what you can do is just to download the APK version of Tolan app. Use any preferred web browser and then just type in on your search bar Tolan app APK. While if you're going to be downloading it on your Apple or iOS device, you can just simply head over to tolans.com and then click this two lines to the left portion of your screen and click on download Tolan. So as you can see right here, we are redirected to the apps.apple.com, which is only be available on iOS. And that's it. That's how you use Tolan app and a quick review about Tolan.